Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. So, students, in grade 1 and 2, you have already done about the nouns. So, you have read about proper, common, and collective nouns. That proper noun is the name which we give to a particular person, place, or thing. For example, Varun, it's a person, name of a person, place, Ludhiana, or it means that is a proper noun. We can say special name. And common noun is a name which we give in general to all the persons, places, or things of the same kind. Like I say boys, girls. So I can use one word boy for all the boys. बॉय लड़के हैं, कोई भी लड़का है तो हम उनके लिए बॉय वर्ड ही यूज़ करेंगे. तो दैट इज़ अ कॉमन नाउन. सो हियर इन a part. And one more thing about proper and common noun is that we start common noun with a small letter unless it comes in the beginning of the sentence. If it comes in the starting of the sentence, then we will write it in capital, because as per rule when we start writing any sentence we start it with capital letter. And proper noun, it is started with a capital letter. Fine. So in a part, what you have to do, you have to pick out the nouns and then you have to point out whether they are proper or common. See, what you will do, you will circle the nouns firstly, then you will write P if it is proper and you will write C if it is common. Do it in short. In the first sentence, proper space is given, that's why it is written in complete way that name is a common noun, brother is a common noun, Varun is a proper noun. But in rest of the sentences you will simply circle the words, circle the nouns, and you will write C for common and P for proper. Is it okay? So after doing a part, I will tell you about collective nouns now. So collective nouns is, it means a particular word, a single word which is used to denote a group. Means nouns like class, swarm, herd, it refers to a group or collection of persons, animals or things of the same kind. Suppose आपकी क्लास में बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं तो टीचर इज कॉलिंग ऑल ऑफ देम. टीचर विल से क्लास डोंट मेक नॉइज. सो टीचर हैज यूज्ड द वर्ड क्लास फॉर all the students. So class is a collective noun. Suppose there are so many insects collected, एक जगह पे बहुत सारे insects हैं तो I will say swarm. So swarm is a particular word which is used for so many insects. Suppose there are so many animals like donkeys, deer, elephant, they are moving in group, so I will use a particular word herd. Herd means बहुत सारे animals. Is it fine? So some of the words are used for the groups like army. आर्मी का मीनिंग है बहुत सारे आर्मी मैन के लिए ही आर्मी वर्ड यूज हो जाते हैं. टीम, टीम में बहुत सारे मेंबर्स होते हैं बट वी यूज पर्टिकुलर वर्ड टीम. फाइन. सो there are so many other words like crowd, flock, bunch, family, team, army, group. These are used for collective nouns. A school of fish or whales means बहुत सारे फिशेस हों तो उनके लिए पर्टिकुलर वर्ड है स्कूल. फाइन. सो pod of dolphins, so many dolphins are there, then we will use the word pod. So many cards are there, so we will use the word pack. So many wolves are there, so we will again use the word pack. If so many bananas are there, we will say bunch. So many keys, then again bunch. So many people are sitting to watch something, then we will say audience. So now you can see so many examples here: a flight of birds, a litter of puppies, a troop of children or soldiers, a host of angels, a sheaf of corn, a band of musicians, a brood of chickens, a cloud of flies. So in differently, so many words are given here. So many collective nouns are given here. So now you have to fill the blanks with nouns given in the box, like a bunch of dash, a bunch of keys. So means keys का गुच्छा. तो बहुत सारी कीज हों तो उनके लिए हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं बंच. अ फ्लाइट ऑफ स्टेयर्स, बहुत सारी स्टेयर्स हैं तो वी विल यूज द वर्ड फ्लाइट. सो अ सूट ऑफ क्लोथ्स, अ गैंग ऑफ थीव्स, अ सेट ऑफ टूल्स, अ हर्ड ऑफ cows, a school of fish, a fleet of ships, a flock of sheep, a pack of cards. So do this part, do A and B part of chapter number 1, nouns, proper, common and collective of your English grammar tree with the help of this video. Thank you.